What's up, guys? Tonight we got Milwaukee's Best Ice. Figured I'd make another video since it's been a couple days. Already took a couple sips, so yeah. Tune in. Speaking of the Seahawks, what about that game Sunday? That was fucking terrible, huh? I was pretty disappointed they got their asses handed to them by the Cowboys. By the way, this is pretty much full when I made the video, so no worries there. It's been a while since I picked up some Milwaukee's Best, so I picked one up in the store down there. It's a good beer if you're trying to be cheap. 5.9% alcohol by volume. Miller. It's definitely not any MGD or Miller High Life or any of those good shit. But not bad. Stay metal.